Good morning. My name is Dr. Ed Franklin. I'm with the Department of Agricultural Education, Technology, and Innovation at the University of Arizona. And today we want to talk about our demonstration solar-powered water pumping system. We're going to first talk about the individual components that make up the system, and then we'll go into the actual operation of the pumping system itself. Let's start off with our submersible well pump. This pump is rated at 30 volts, so we want to make sure that we have a solar module that has the capability of producing enough voltage to meet the needs of this pump. This pump would actually be submerged into a well, and it will be pumping the water out of the ground. This is the inlet portion of the well where the water is actually going to enter the pump. To secure our pump and to make sure we don't lose it once it's in the bottom or near the bottom of the well, is that we have a safety tie rope. So this is a common feature on well pumps, and this helps us to hang on to that pump so we don't lose it in case something happens to our water line. This piece of tubing here represents our drop pipe. So the water would be pumped out of the pump housing itself and go up this drop pipe, where then it would go out of the wellhead and into our storage tank or our water trough. We can also see here that we have our electrical lines, and in this case we have 3 electrical lines. We have a green, red, and black. So green is our grounding conductor, and the red and black are our negative and positive conductors. Remember, this pump is working on direct current electricity. We also have attached here a float valve, and so this float valve works as an electrical switch depending upon how much water we have in the well. So if the well is full and this float valve is sitting up at this level here, it activates the pump, and the pump will actually be moving water. If the well level water starts dropping, and it causes this float valve to actually move to a down position, and we're getting to a position where the pump may be exposed to no water, this will actually shut off the pump electronically until we get more water back into the well, so we can actually raise this float valve up. So this float valve is an important part, helps us monitor the level of water in the well in terms of the operation of the pump itself. What we're going to do now is reassemble our pump. So we have a piece of 20-inch PVC pipe, and this is representing our well, and we have water in this PVC pipe. So we're going to stick our pump down into the well, and then we have a piece of clear plastic to serve as our wellhead. So we can actually see through the top of this clear acrylic where our float valve is, and it's sitting on the top of the water, and we can see the pump actually hanging down in our mock well.